So, I found this old Python script I had written a while ago, just something to clean and analyze sales data. It worked, technically, but it was a mess. You know the kind. No formatting, no comments, hard-coded file names, basically a get-it-done-quick situation. Instead of rewriting the whole thing, I dropped it into Beewant to see how it could help. Right away, it cleaned up the formatting, indentations, spacing, structure, all fixed. But what surprised me more was how readable it became. It didn't just look better, it felt like clean, professional code. Then I asked it to add comments and doc strings, and it actually documented every function properly. What it takes in, what it returns, and why it exists. It even added inline notes so I could follow the logic at a glance. Then I asked it to check for any logic or usability issues. And that's where things got interesting. Beewant pointed out that I was hard-coding the CSV file path, which could break things later. It also flagged that my script dropped missing data silently, using dropna, without any warning, so I could be losing valuable info without even realizing. Plus, it noticed that I never checked whether the necessary columns like quantity and price were even present. That's the kind of silent failure that's hard to debug later. And then, this was slick, Beewant suggested a follow-up question. Do you want to make this work with Excel files too? I said yes, and it walked me through how to generalize the file input so the same script could read CSV, XLSX, JSON, even Parquet. One file handler, multiple formats, and now my script is flexible enough for real use. Honestly, it felt like I was getting live code review from a senior engineer, but faster and without the intimidation. If you're working with data, if you're coding in Python, or even if you just want your code to be less chaotic, Beewant makes it painless. I didn't rewrite anything from scratch. I just used Beewant the way it's meant to be used, to make my work better. Join us at Beewant.com for more information.